It's summer in a village in Japan. An old man and woman eat dumplings. Yum! Nice little dumplings! Then the old man goes to cut wood, and the old woman goes to the river. What a very big pitch! Suddenly, the old woman sees something. It's a pitch! A very big pitch! What a very big pitch! She says. Why is it in the river? The very big pitch smells nice. It smells of summer in Japan. The woman catches it. The peach smells wonderful. Let's eat it. What a big peach, says the old man. Let's eat it right now. But then they hear something. It's a baby! Stop, says the baby. Don't catch me! There is a baby in the pitch. A baby boy. A pitch boy. He is a wonderful baby and he is happy. The old man and woman call him Momotaro, Pitch Boy. They give him nice little dumplings, so he grows big and strong. The old man and woman are good to Momotaro, so Momotaro is good too. Then one day, ogres come. Ogres come to the village. Stomp, stomp, stomp. They break things, they take things. The ogres take the people's treasure. Then they stamp off into the sea. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Mother, father, says Peach Boy, I want to fight the ogres. Give me some dumplings, please, and a big stick. So his mother gives him some dumplings. His father gives him a big stick. Goodbye, they say, and good luck. Good luck. Momotaro walks along. Then he sees a big dog. Hi, dog. Hi, dog, says Momotaro. I want to fight the ogres. Have a dumpling and come with me. So the dog eats the dumpling, then it goes with him. They walk along, then they see a pheasant. Hi, pheasant, says Momotaro. We want to fight the ogres. Have a dumpling and come with us. They walk along, then they see a monkey. Hi, monkey. My friends, says Momotaro. The Peach Boy, let's go to Ogre Island. Let's fight the ogres. Momotaro and his friends look up. They look up at the big castle. The castle door is closed, but the pheasant flies up. It flies up into the castle. Help! The pheasant fights the ogres. The ogres are afraid. Help! They cry. Help! Help! Then the monkey goes up. It goes up into the castle. It opens the door. Momotaro and the dog run into the castle. Bang, bang, bang. Momotaro fights the ogres with his stick. The dog, the pheasant, and the monkey all fight. They all fight the ogres. Bang, bang, bang. The ogres are afraid. We are sorry, they say. Please go. Take your treasure and go. We are sorry. Momotaro takes the treasure. Hooray, he says. Good work, my friends. Hooray. Momotaro and his friends go home. They go home with the treasure. All the people shout, "Hooray! Hooray!" And the ogres never come back.